Imagine that you are getting close to retirement age. Imagine a sudden trip to emergency room that seriously cut down your retirement savings. Imagine at the age of 65, you were still paying your house mortgage and you were largely dependent with your social securities. So, what do you do? For the last 7 years, I've studied the common issue of inconsistent income in consulting service. And I've been obsessed with this question. What caused a consultant keep delaying retirement for another 1 year? You see, millions of consultants are working 10 hours or more per day, emotionally drained and burned out, doing everything, then realizing that you are not getting well paid enough and you don't approach your practice or expertise with the right mindset of an entrepreneur without even realizing it. So that's the consulting breakthrough Simplified can help. If you have a certain unique set of skills, knowledge, or experience, becoming a consultant is a tried and true bridge to bring your expertise to light. The world needs your genius. So use it and get paid what you are worth. You set your own rules while making an income with certainty. So give me 30 minutes and I will uncover your number one consulting issue and show you how to reverse engineer it for free. I want you to be the best you can be. So let's go. The age of when this happened is not important. Rather, it is a matter how quickly you can reach the point where you can be liberal with your spending to designing your future. So the future sky's the limit. You will also learn how to spend your most valuable time to execute your daily routine success ritual and be the first in your family to build a WFA, work from anywhere, epic consulting business lifestyle. Come on, let's go. Register below, absolutely free. Jankoa here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.